How to join a guild in Palmon Survival. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to join a guild in Palmon Survival, then it is one of the best ways to make your gameplay more fun, social, and rewarding. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open your Palmon Survival game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the guild option on the right corner and go ahead and tap join in the pop-up. If you select join, you can choose the name of the guild, select a guild you want to join into. Some of the guilds are open and you'll be accepted instantly, whereas some of the guilds are private. You'll need approval from the guild leader. If you see this join button, then you can join this guild by tapping on this plus icon. If you select the quick join option, then you'll be suggested to any other guild automatically. So that's it. That's how you easily join a guild in Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.